Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 11s, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here we got the ringtone and notification bottom panel, and if we'll just turn off this option, we'll turn on the silent mode, so we'll mute notifications and the ringtones together. But if you want to stay with the ringtones and mute only notifications, I suggest you to go here to this section, click here to the currently notification sound, and just switch our currently notification sound to don't set ringtone. You can see that applied successfully, and now if we'll go back, we can see that we have now set the notification sound to the notifications, and by this way we can mute our notifications and stay with the ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.